So for the pictorial ng mga person, charet! 17 seconds! We're now in the streets of Bukit Bintang. Diba? So nice. Love it. So we're here at Any Central. Then we're gonna take the monorail. Monorail. Bukit Bintang. KL Central. Let's go. Use your touch and go. Kung kaya pa, pasok ka. Pasok ka. One more station. Ate. Tailgating ka pa. Yay! So for the pictorial ng mga person, charet! 17 seconds. We're now in the streets of Bukit Bintang. Diba? So nice. Love it. Yay! Welcome to Bukit Bintang. Yan ang favorite niya, Starbucks. But we're going to Jayco today. Going to Pavilion. Do you like it? This is my favorite combo. And J-Pops. Actually, ang dami nilang promotions. Hindi yun yung binili natin. Ha. So, 20 ringgit for 1 dozen. How's it?
That's better than Yao Yao.
Look! Yes! No one is here, diba? The 10th floor of Pavilion. So if you want to take a photo without people, and go to Redbox too. Dali tao. So many people. Suko. Thank you, Ate Justine.
Ate, ting, daliri. Tada!
Tada! Suko. Platform ano yan? Platform saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta? Central. Oh, meron ba dyan? Next. Yun.
I'm sorry. I have
Sorry, dear.
very bad vision.
Bad vision.
Couldn't see from afar.
Sus. Palusot. Soda.